thinking about making the vibrant land of Argentina your new home? Understanding the immigration rules is a crucial step to ensure a smooth transition. In this video, we'll dive into the essential information you need for a successful immigration process. Visa types and requirements. Argentina offers various visa options, each tailored to different purposes such as work, study, or residency. To get started, explore the National Migration Office's official website for the most up-to-date information on visa types and their specific requirements. Temporary residence and permanent residence. Temporary residence and permanent residence permits are common for expatriates in Argentina. These permits allow for extended stays and even the possibility of obtaining permanent residency. Prepare your application with the necessary documentation. This typically includes proof of your purpose for staying in Argentina, a clean criminal record, and other supporting documents. Familiarize yourself with the eligibility criteria and application procedures provided by the National Migration Office. Student visa. Argentina welcomes international students with open arms, and obtaining a student visa is a crucial step to pursue your academic dreams. The National Migration Office governs the visa process, providing guidelines and requirements for aspiring students. To qualify for a student visa, understanding the eligibility criteria is essential. The requirements may include an acceptance letter from a recognized educational institution, proof of enrollment, and financial means to support your stay in Argentina. Work visa. Argentina offers various work visa options for foreign nationals seeking employment opportunities. The process is regulated by the National Migration Office, ensuring a streamlined and transparent approach for those ready to contribute their skills and expertise. To initiate the work visa process, securing a job offer from an Argentine employer is a fundamental step. Your prospective employer will play a key role in sponsoring your work visa, demonstrating the need for your skills in the local job market. Family reunification. Argentina recognizes the importance of family, and the family reunification process is designed to facilitate the reunion of close family members. This can include spouses, children, and dependent relatives. The process is administered by the National Migration Office. The family member already residing in Argentina acts as the sponsor for the reunification process. Prepare the required documentation, including proof of the family relationship, a clean criminal record, and other supporting documents. These details are essential for a successful application. Moving to Argentina is an exciting journey, and understanding the immigration rules is essential for a successful integration. For more detailed information, check the official National Migration Office website and the links in the video description below. Buena suerte en tu aventura! Good luck on your adventure to Argentina!